Hey guys, I'm Lawrence Sonman and I'm gonna teach you how to wash your hands properly. First, remove your accessories. After removing it, wash your hands with water. Then put a soap. Do it for 1 minute to make sure that your hands is clean. After that, let's wash it with water. Then it's okay guys, we removed thousands of germs, now we're safe.